Welcome to Herod's Temple Part 2, the Water Aqueduct on the Temple Mount. The lower aqueduct came from Bethlehem near Solomon's Pool from Etam Springs. It entered the Temple Mount by Wilson's Arch and went southward downhill toward the temple. These water channels were traced by Charles Warren in the late 1800s, and I've marked them out in the program from Wilson's Arch to the pool below the temple court and to the opening on the priest's court. The Jewish sources say that a conduit ran from Etam Spring to the temple. In this quick illustration, I have opened the water channel of the aqueduct and flooded the court. Abbe in the 4th century said, "If these artificially constructed water channels be opened, the water rushes in from all sides, and the marble floor of the sanctuary is washed clean of the blood of the sacrifices in the easiest manner." The Tofesto says, "How is the court cleaned? Seal the area and let the water from the aqueduct enter till it becomes clean like milk." Water also bubbled up like a spring from smaller water channels built into the bottom of the altar all the way around it, helping to quickly flood the court. There was a drain shaped like two nostrils at the southwest corner of the altar. Once the water from the aqueduct to the court is closed off, then the water is drained away. The water mixed with blood made its way through the blood channel and entered the sewage ditch that ran along the Tyropian Valley alongside the city of David and ultimately dumped into the Kidron Valley. Please visit TempleMountLocation.com for more information about Herod's and Solomon's Temple. Thank you.